Rachel, this is 1 Minute History, and today we're talking about mac and cheese. So who invented mac and cheese? Mac and cheese traces its roots to Italy. An Italian cookbook from the 13th century includes a recipe that foodie historians believe is the first macaroni and cheese recipe. However, if we're talking about Kraft macaroni and cheese, that product was first released in 1937. Mac and cheese became a true phenomenon because it was an affordable way to feed an entire family during the Great Depression. Contrary to popular belief, Thomas Jefferson didn't invent mac and cheese, but he did help popularize the dish. Jefferson reportedly loved mac and cheese, and when he tried it in Italy, he was obsessed, and he had the White House chefs recreate and serve the dish during his presidency. I'm Rachel, and this is 1 Minute History.